As soon as I cut in. I came in from being outside for 40 minutes, and it says I come in to issue it, but at least I'm getting it.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Wayne County, Union County, Indiana, southeastern Fayette County, Indiana, Preble County, northwestern Butler County, southern Darke County, northwestern Montgomery County, Miami County, until 9:45 p.m. At 9:05 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles west of Greenville to near Richmond to 9 miles south of Cartersville, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts.
Oh, there's a TR possible
Radar
too.
indicated.
Like,
Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted
I'm
include
in a shower.
Huber Heights, Richmond, Troy, Trotwood, Oxford, Piqua, Vandalia, Englewood, Greenville, Tip City, Eaton, West Milton, Covington, Liberty, Arcanum, Camden, Bradford, Lewisburg, and New Paris. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Indiana between mile markers 149 and 156. I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 0 and 37. I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 57 and 84. You are listening to the National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Champaign County, Logan County, northwestern Union County,
Oh,
Ohio,
Union.
until 10:30 p.m. At 10:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near DeGraff, moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Bell Fountain, West Liberty, DeGraff, West Mansfield, Northwood, Rush, Sylvania, Ridgeway, Valley High, Zanesfield, Raymond, Westville, New Jerusalem,
Oh?
Norristown, Kent Park, Big Springs,
Okay, that's gotta get too hard.
Middletown, and Vialia.
Look at that. Oh. Still, whatever.
You are listening to NOAA Weather.
Something on KNG.
Radio, KIQ.
Ah!
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Franklin County, Ohio, east central Clark County, central Madison County, until 11
Why me? Storm relative.
severe thunderstorm
It's gonna drop a tornado.
Charleston, moving east at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source,
Hush.
radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbus, Dublin, Upper Arlington, Hilliard, London, Jefferson, West Jefferson, Choctaw Lake, Lake Darby, Grandview Heights, Lisbon, Brighton, Valley View, Marble Cliff, Lafayette, South Vienna, Interstate 70 at US Route 42, Amity, State Route 29 at State Route 38, and Interstate 70 at State Route 56. This includes a 70 in Ohio between mile marker 65 and 98.
Look at that.
Listening to NOAA Weather. All
Who would have thought? You're loud.
the National Weather Service in
Hush,
Wilmington
now.
has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Claremont County, northwestern Brown County,
Oh God, it's big.
southeastern Warren County, southwestern Fayette County, Ohio, Clinton County, Highland County, and south central Ohio until 11:30 p.m. At 10:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm
Man, everything's gonna be too hard possible.
moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. impact. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Washington Courthouse, Wilmington, Hillsborough, Greenfield, Blanchester, Salina, Lynchburg, Leesburg, New Vienna, Marl, Marshall, Highlands Holiday, Rocky Ford Point, Russell, Whitfield, Stockton, Newmarket, Owensville, Lawrenceville, and Harleysburg. This includes I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 35 and 51.
See if this will do the thing.
Northwestern Franklin and northeastern Madison counties. At 10:40 p.m.
You had one on red message.
Yeah.